Hello, today we're gonna learn how to graph foreign quadratic functions. Well, in here it's just the same as we have a quadratic function, just that in this case we don't have a bx. As you can see, we just have ax squared plus c. So we have in here a function on which we have a fraction. So we're gonna use this chart on here so we can use the values of -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2 if our axis of symmetry is 0, because we don't have a bx, as you can see. So I'm going to start substituting my value of -2 instead of placing x. So I'm going to have 1/2 times the -2 raised to the second power. And this is just the same as having 1/2 times 4 minus 5. And in this case, you need to multiply the 1/2 times the 4. So you're going to have your 4 over 2. And 4 over 2 is 2. So I'm going to have 2 minus 5. And how much is 2 minus 5? Is -3. So I'm going to place this value I find on the chart. And also I'm going to graph it. And my point will be on here. So now I'm gonna do it with -1. 1/2 times -1 raised to the second power minus 5. And -1 times -1 is just the same as 1. And 1 times 1/2 is 1/2 minus 5. So what I need to do on here, I need to make the 5 to have the same denominator as 1/2. So I'm gonna place the 5 with the denominator 2. But how am I gonna do it? Well, I'm gonna have now a 10 over 2, and 1 minus 10 equals 9, because I'm just gonna subtract my numerators, and my denominators I just copy it down. So now I'm gonna place this on a mixed number, because it's an improper fraction. So I'm going to have 4 1/2, and these will be just the same as having on here. Well, now I'm going to do it with 0, and I'm going to have 1/2 times 0 raised to the second power minus 5. That is just the same as 1/2 times 0 minus 5. And every number multiplied by a 0 is 0. So I'm going to have y equals 0 minus 5. And I'm going to have y equals 5 as a negative number. So my point will be on here. 0 on x and -5 on y. Now I'm going to work with my positive 1. And I'm going to do just the same procedure. 1/2 times 1 minus 5. Again, I need to place both numbers to have the same denominator. So I'm going to have 1/2 minus 10/2. And this will be as -9/2. And if this is an improper fraction, I need to make it a mixed number again. So I'm going to have y equals -1/2. So I'm going to place now my point on here. Now I'm going to work with 2. And I'm going to have 2 times 2 is 4. So that's why I have in here 1/2 times 4 minus 5. And this is 4/2 minus 5. And 4/2 is just the same as 2 minus 5. So y equals -3. Now I'm going to place it on here. Now that I find all my points, I just need to connect them. And I'm going to see that I'm not going to have a straight line. I'm going to have what we call a parabola. Something like this. So I hope you understand really well. And if you have any doubt, you can leave it on the comments below. Thanks for watching.